Today I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Foundation for November 2021. So question 24 reads as follows. Rosie, Matilda and Ibrahim collect stickers. The number of stickers Rosie has to the number of stickers Matilda has to the number of stickers Ibrahim has is 4 to 7 to 15. Ibrahim has 24 more stickers than Matilda. Ibrahim has more stickers than Rosie. How many more? So I want to find out how many more parts of stickers Ibrahim has than Matilda, so I do 15 minus 7, which is 8 parts. And I know he has 24 more stickers, so 8 parts must equal 24. So 1 part is 3. And I have to find out how many parts more stickers he has than Rosie. So that's 11 parts. So 11 times by 3 is 33, so he has 33 more stickers than Rosie. Like and subscribe for more GCSE Math.